Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from the flight cast speaking. My name is Matthias Volker, so you're together with First Officer Timothy Hall. And together with my captain senior sequence and the rest of the cabin crew, I'd like to welcome aboard this SAS Scandinavian flight to Manchester. We are ready for departure. Flight time will be 1 hour and 40 minutes. But before we leave, cabin crew will perform a safe demonstration. Please close attention to it, and it's for your safety. Otherwise, I hope you will enjoy this flight with us. Thank you.
We will now perform a safety demonstration, and we recommend that you remove your earphones and pay close attention. The crew is on board for your safety, and it is important that you follow our instructions. This is the safety on board card. It's located in your seat pocket and contains important information. Please review it before departure. Your seatbelt is fastened tight and open like this. Always keep it fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your belt fastened during the entire flight. If oxygen is needed, a panel above you will open and masks will appear. If you're wearing a face mask or a face shield, remove it. Pull down the oxygen mask firmly, place it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Adjust the strap to hold in place. Secure your own oxygen mask first before helping others. You will find your life vest under your seat. Pull the vest over your head and pass the strap around your waist. Fasten the buckle and tighten the strap. When leaving through the exit, inflate the vest by pulling the tab. The inflation can be adjusted by using the mouthpiece. The emergency exits are in the aft, over the wings, and in the forward part of the cabin. They are marked with illuminated signs. Lights in the aisle will guide you to the exits. Look for your nearest exit. It may be located behind you. All cabin baggage must be left behind in case of an evacuation. If you're charging electronic equipment, be sure to monitor your device during charging. Contact the crew member if your device produces smoke or becomes hot. Smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes are not permitted in any area of the aircraft, including in the lavatories. We're now ready for departure to Manchester, so sit back and enjoy your flight with us. line has now been switched off, but I still recommend you to keep it fastened during the entire flight. Please be careful when opening overhead compartments as baggage may fall out.
A very good morning and warm welcome on board with us at SAS. My name is Simas, and together with the rest of the crew we'll be looking after you on today's flight to Manchester. If you're traveling with us in SAS Economy, we'll be soon treating you with some complimentary coffee, tea and water. And if you're in the mood for something extra, feel free to take a look at our cafe menu, where we've got selection of fresh food options, sweet and savory snacks and our fishing cold drinks available for purchase. If you would like to stay connected during the flight, the Wi-Fi is now available. For now, sit back, relax, and let us take good care of you. Once again, a very welcome on board. Boys and girls, Nordic-inspired A320neo, we are approaching Manchester. We'll be landing in 15 minutes from now. Seems to have shows people securely fastened. That also means we are landing 30 minutes ahead of schedule this morning. Today's weather, it's cloudy, southwest winds, temperature of 7 degrees Celsius. Hope you enjoyed this flight with us on SAS Scandinavian. We should fly to Manchester. Thank you.
We're now preparing for landing. Please place your laptop and other items over 1 kilo in your baggage. Your baggage must be placed either under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. In case of an evacuation, all baggage must be left behind. It is time to raise your seat back and table, lower the armrest, and disconnect your charging cord from the seat. Also, the window shades must be open. The safety on board card in your seat pocket contains important information. Please take a moment to review it before landing. to Manchester, where the local time is 15 minutes past 8. For safety reasons, keep your seatbelt fastened and escape routes free from baggage until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Large electronic devices must remain stowed. Please be careful when opening overhead compartments as baggage may fall out. When disembarking, be aware of the difference in level between the aircraft and the air bridge or stairs. From all of us here at SAS, thank you for flying with us today. Until we see you on board next time, goodbye and take care.
Passengers, please remain seated. Cabin crew, disarm doors and cross-check.